Welcome back. Let's learn English together on this channel again today. I will speak slowly for beginners. Please relax and listen, or you can even listen to this before you go to sleep. Okay, let's get started. Was it cold where you live today? Where I am, it was really cold. I can't even move away from the heater at home right now. By the way, in English, there are several ways to say cold. For example, cold, chilly, and freezing. Do you know the difference in nuance between them? Let me explain when and how to use each one. So, first, let's start with cold. This is the most basic word. You can use it in many situations, talking about the weather, room temperature, or even someone's body temperature. It's the all-rounder. For example, it's cold today. Your hands are cold. If you're not sure which word to use, just go with cold. You can't go wrong. Next, chilly. This is a softer kind of cold than cold. It feels like a little cold or kind of chilly. For example, it's a bit chilly this morning. It's perfect for early autumn or early spring, when it's not freezing but you still want a light jacket. The key image is, it's not unbearable, but I want to put on a jacket. That's chilly. And then, freezing. This is on a whole different level. It means freezing cold or extremely cold. For example, it's freezing outside, or it's absolutely freezing. Even if it's not actually below zero, you can use freezing when it feels unbearably cold. So, to summarize, cold is cold, the basic neutral expression. Chilly is a little cold or slightly chilly. Freezing is extremely cold or freezing cold. Now, a quick quiz. If it's just a little cold in the morning and you wear a light jacket, which one? Chilly. If it's a normal winter day and you say, it's cold today, which one? Cold. If you step outside and think, no way, it's way too cold, which one? Freezing. Just by changing the word depending on the level of cold, your English will instantly sound much more natural and native-like. Try using them from today.